Schools have reduced people to a function. Let's say you're a certified accountant. Not the, because so is every other certified accountant. All of them are designed to be so similar, they are actually interchangeable, direct competitors. And potential clients choose them mostly based on price, a bit on speed, but not really on quality, because all certified accountants are supposed to produce reliable, accurate results. So how do accounting firms try to get one over the competition? In my 20 years as a consultant, I've seen clients like this all the time. They try to get slightly better qualifications, deliver a little bit faster, and optimize their internal processes so they can afford to do it just a little cheaper. In other words, they try to become a more efficient biological machine and spend fortune on advertising, but that's an altogether different topic. But guess who's a better machine than a biological machine? An actual machine!